Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are back reviewing those 6 sounds that we learned in January. We're going to do roll a sound today. I love this. It also gets them thinking about their numbers. So if you roll a 6 on the dice, you're going to do an uppercase W. If you roll a 5, you're going to do an uppercase, V. If you roll a 4, uppercase Y. A 3, uppercase J, you got it. A 2, uppercase X. And a 1, an uppercase Z. Now, facilitators, you can make a board with lowercase as well, or you could have them draw both. But uppercase is a good place to start. So have them play this game. Oh, what did Miss Hake roll? A 5. So I have to draw an uppercase V. Look at that. With my pencil. It's hard to see, but I did it. See? All right. Have fun rolling and drawing. And when you get the number, say the letter and make it sound V, V, V. This is excellent practice. All right. I will see you soon and enjoy your game. Bye.